Financial fitness is no different than physical fitness. Getting your finances back in shape is like getting your body back in shape. It takes hard work, dedication, and focus. Cutting debt is like losing weight. If you want to see real results faster, you're going to need help. A personal financial trainer on hand to show you what to do and how to do it. A personal financial trainer to get you going, keep you honest with yourself, motivated, and on target to reach your financial goals, week after week. At Breakthrough Personal Financial Trainers, you'll get the help you need to eliminate debt and build your savings. Get your finances in tip-top shape. Register for your free financial training session at financialtraining.ca. Breakthrough Personal Financial Trainers. Beyond advice.